Welcome to another video, guys. Please go share, like and subscribe before we get into this video. Right, what you just saw there was the accelerated version of part 1 of Taz's BMW E46 project, which we finally managed to get back onto. Yes, if you haven't seen part 1, please go and check it out. Check that link and check that out. See how badly it was vandalized, because it's been sitting there for a while. Now we have finally managed to get onto it looking as good as it can be. We have tried to keep it as original as possible because it is a classic car after all. We were donated another E46 which helped get this car back on the road as quickly as possible. We've changed the bonnet, changed the wing, changed the door, changed the boot lid as well as the lights, and also the steering rack had to be changed. And it's looking absolutely beautiful now. We've also been sent some coilovers by the guys at Max Speeding Rods. Some of you probably want the airbags on it, but I'm not much of a fan of the airbags. I feel the coilovers looks better, performs better, handles better, and its stance is a lot better as well. It is going to be a split opinion, but it is what it is. Let's get into this. Let us know what else you think we need to do. I forgot to mention also the alloy wheels. Got a new set of alloy wheels on there, which makes the car look absolutely amazing. Right, let's get into this video. Let us know what you think. Remember to share, like and subscribe. Thank you very much. Taz's E46, the donor E46, and we've received a package here from Max Speeding Rods. Let's open it up and have a look what's inside. Oh, blimey, quite heavy. Christmas has come early. Now, check that out. Ain't that a thing of beauty? We have a set of coilovers for Taz's BMW E46. Let me take this out and show you how good this is. Wow, very, check this out. Wow. This is a thing of beauty. So yes, we have received a set of coilovers from the guys at Max Speeding Rods. This looks absolutely beautiful. Very nice build quality. Let's open it up. Wow, check this out. Wow, ain't this a thing of beauty? Yes. Right guys, if you want a set of these are going very cheap on Max Speeding Rod's website. We will put a discount code on our pages and in this video, so go and cop a set of these. They're very well built. We'll be putting this on the E46 and letting you know how good they are. But until then, if you want a set, go onto their website and use the discount code that I've listed below. Check that out, man. Ain't that a thing of beauty? Wow. Max Speeding Rods, thank you for sending that.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds jumping and I hear my name, grasping into life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a strive. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah. just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a ride. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a ride. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, we must never stop the way. Birds jumping and I hear my name, grasping into life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a strive. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah.
There you have it. The car is looking absolutely beautiful. I'm sure you'll agree. Right. We have also decided to restore the donor vehicle. Okay, donor vehicle as part of a project we are running. Okay, we are looking for 5 to 10 people to get involved with this one. If you're into your cars, okay, you want to learn about cars, hit us up right now. Okay, we have a massive project running in the background right now, and we want to get this donor vehicle involved and you guys as well. So if you want to get involved with this project, help us restore this car back to its glory, hit us up. I will give you more details.